Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a design team package. This is from DIY Art Bin Store on AliExpress. He is a seller and he sent me a couple dies and I'm gonna jump straight into it. This first one right here is kind of like I would say the new style, that retro vintage style, little like side table, and it comes with like a little pot that you could put flowers in it and stuff. Super cute. This is like the plot for the flower, and then like a little cup and stuff. And this little table is about 3 inches wide, just so you have a size reference. Is this one right here, and at first I was like, what word spells YJ? I was so confused. It's a little ginger girl and she is so cute, and I am impressed by the embossing detail on this one. You guys, look at this. Look at the texture. So this is perfect for a card or an embellishment. You definitely have to glue it onto something so that all the letters are sticking. Look how adorable she is. It says joy, the bow and the letters have embossing, and then I love the little frosting detail like around her face, and the embossing does very great around the eyelashes and the mouth so that you don't have to go in there with marker or pen. So she is super cute. And then how she's laid out, like with some spacing, is about a little under 4 inches wide. She's so cute. Is this one right here? There's a lot of parts, so I didn't have time to put her together. This is actually a little mermaid, like a Christmas elf mermaid. I know a lot of people like to do like Christmas beach theme, so that would be great for that. Let's do this one. This one is a 14-piece set bow die. And these bows range anywhere from 1 inch to 3/4 of an inch, basically. And you get 14 of them. And look how gorgeous these are. These are so fun. And this one reminds me of like Maggie Holmes. These are perfect to embellish all of your projects. Like say this didn't come with a bow, you know? This is so cute. And I did go ahead and cut it out with that Michael's cardstock. I have never owned it before. You guys are going to see a haul from there, but it is just enough shine with a little bit of matte finish. I don't know how to describe it. It's metallic, but it's matted and muted, and I'm obsessed with this gold. This is so pretty. This cuts out way better than their thinner one that would kind of like string around the edge of the dies. So cute. I'll link that down below if I can find it. So that's the gold bows. Next is this one. This is actually a gingerbread gnome. So his little body, and there's the frosting and stuff. I'll insert the photo. Cute little gingerbread that he's holding up in like his hat and stuff. And the hat part is pretty tall. The hat alone is 2 inches. So he's probably about 3 3/4 inches tall when he is assembled. Right here, and this one is much bigger than I thought. This balloon is 3 inches tall by 2 1/4 inches wide. And it comes with 5 different faces. And I did go ahead and cut them out. Oh, here we go. So look how fun these are for Halloween. So this one's like a little Frankenstein. This little part right here is supposed to be mimicking like where the balloon bunches up, but it ended up looking like a second part, or like I don't know. I didn't end up liking it, so I left it off on all the other ones. So there's a Frankenstein. There's kind of like pumpkin style face. I just put it on like some holographic paper. This one has like that Scream ghost face. I just did it on some vellum. Super fun. This one has a skull face, so I did him on like a glitter cardstock, chunky glitter. This one's like a traditional pumpkin with the little mouth, so I did him on orange glitter. How cute is this little like set? Super adorable and perfect for all of your Halloween crafting. And when you're not using it for Halloween, you can use it as a regular balloon die. And it comes with 2 different strings, one going to the left, one going to the right. Okay, so that's that guy. Not least is this deer die set. It's kind of like a hipster deer. So it's about 2 inches. This guy is about 1 3/4. 1 1/2. So they come with mustaches and like eyeglasses. I'll insert a photo, and like other little accessories, but you could easily just use the deers for like layering up embellishments and cards and whatnot. So that's a good die. All right, that is everything from DIY Art Bin Store, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.